Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. So in this video I will show you guys on how to get registered on this Wapanda update. So this update is actually paying very well. Okay, so all you need to do is just to get registered. You get paid just by reading blog messages. Okay, so I will walk you guys through on the registration process and what you need to do to be able to earn on this platform. So first of all, you have to enter your name, enter your phone number, enter your email address, enter your password, and then click on create. So I will also be dropping the link of this video for additional bonus for new users. So do well to check the description of this video for the link, and also know that this is not a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just only showing you guys what I've tried and tested and it works for me, so I decided to bring it to the public. So this is a disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, but only sharing my opinion and review of what I've tried and it's actually worked for me, so you guys can as well give it a try. So let's get started with the registration. So once done with putting all these details, all you need to do next is just to click on create account. So once you click on create an account, then it's going to direct you. So guys, so this is the dashboard. Okay, so this is how it's going to look at first. So when you check here now, you see that this account has just zero referral. I just opened this new account to show you guys on how to go about this. Okay, so and you see my balance is 4,000 naira. Okay, so this is where you will work on the app here. Okay, so there is kind of a secret on how to also end, which I will not be dropping here. You can drop a message if you want to learn how to end fast on the comment section, so that I can put you on it. So when you read the tax, you earn money for reading each tax. Okay, so let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Alright, so this is the tax here. So you see reward. So all you need to do is just read the instruction. So visit the blog and read the entire content carefully. You just have to click on start, then read all the instructions, all the blogs that is there, and then you get paid. Okay, so let's take one task. Okay, so all you need to do is just to go through all these things together. So once you read from here to the last, then it will redirect you. So now I will read. So this is it. You see that automatically the tasks have already been completed and confirmed. Okay, so all I need to do now is just to go back. If I want to go back, I just click on back to the dashboard. Okay, so that's how it works. So you see I'm back to the dashboard, and this is how much I receive for the tax. So you keep going through, keep reading tax, keep reading the blogs message, and then when you are done reading it, automatically it will redirect you to the sites back. So that's how to earn. Okay, so check the link under this video and then register to get your additional bonus of 4,000 naira for registration, and also gain access to the WhatsApp group after you have registered with the link. Let me know, then I will give you entrance to the WhatsApp group and let you know what to do and what not to do to make it faster. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.